Hi Global class, this is Mr. Germain's Canvas course, and we are going to look at the first module, the English Civil War. There are two assignments that are posted. One is a reading and question response, and the other one is a document-based questionnaire. Starting with the first one, you are going to be clicking on the reading passage. Click Enable Editing to be able to work with the document, and I would drag it to one side of the computer. In this case, you're going to talk about the Stuarts and Civil Wars, the House of Stuart, the Commonwealth era, the English Civil War, and towards the bottom you have the Restoration and the Glorious Revolution. I would then go back to Canvas and open up the question document. Make sure to click Enable Editing so you can type within the document, and I would drag it to the other side of the computer. Because this is questions based off of the reading, it would be nice to have them side by side so you can find the information that you're looking for. Once you have this questionnaire filled out, you're going to save it to your computer, and you are going to submit it online, clicking the Submit Assignment button. Once you have done that assignment, you will go back to the home page and you'll click on assignment number 2. The English Civil War document questions gives you a document that you will have to read and you will respond to. There are two options for you. You can click on the link that Mr. Germain has given you, and he reminds you of important phrases within the questions that he wants you to target. And you can click on the document and it will open it up. Again, you're going to want to hit Enable Editing to be able to work within the document. And in here, you can just simply read the document and then respond to the questions that Mr. Germain has asked. If you find that it's a little hard to have to flip back and forth between the Canvas to see the hints, I have on the home screen underneath the Civil War document sentence starters. When you open up this document by clicking the link to pull it out of Canvas, it's going to look pretty similar to the one that Mr. Germain has. The only difference is I have underlined and bolded the important parts of the questions, and I've explained to you what exactly that phrase or that word is referring to. I've also started out the sentence. Your goal is to finish it off based off of the document and the information you have found. Once you have saved that document and you are ready to submit it, you are to make sure to go to the Civil War document questions and hit Submit. And that is your first module, the English Civil War. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure you're asking Mr. Germain or I.